guys, welcome to Girly Tips. So today I wanted to share with you some almond oil benefits. So before starting the video, let me tell you, please do watch full video, and if you think the video is useful for you, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Almond oil has vitamin E and it contains small amount of vitamin K. Almond oil is great for dry skin. Those who have oily skin can use 2 to 3 drops of almond oil and apply it on their skin once a week. Now I am going to tell few benefits of almond oil. Almond oil has antioxidants and so many nutrients. It gives you a clear and radiant skin. Take few drops of almond oil and apply it on your face. Apply it before you sleep and you can keep it overnight so that your skin becomes glow and radiant. Next benefit of almond oil is it is beneficial for reducing wrinkles and fine lines on our skin. It reduces the signs of aging of our skin like sagging, fine lines and wrinkles. For this remedy, take little oil and apply on your face. Massage it 2 to 3 minutes and you can also keep it overnight so that your wrinkles and fine lines will be reduced and your skin gets tightened and becomes brighter. Almond oil removes your dark circles around your eyes permanently. For this, you have to take few drops of almond oil and apply it around your eyes by massaging it circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes before you sleep. It provides nutrients to your under eye area. Plus it reduces dark circles around your eyes. It acts as a deep cleanser. If you go out and come home in the night, your skin exposes to dust and dirt, so that you might get pimples and blackheads. You need not to invest on any other cleansers in the market. It removes all the makeup on our skin. Take cotton and put few drops of almond oil and slowly rub on your face. It removes all the dirt. It also removes all the makeup on your face. Now you can see how it removes the makeup on my skin. Just press it and hold for few seconds and then swipe it.
Almond oil improves our skin's texture. You can add 5 to 6 tablespoonfuls of almond oil to your regular moisturizer. If you regularly apply it to your body, it will definitely improve the texture of your skin.
Almond oil is good for our hairs. It helps to get thick and healthy long hairs. It also adds shine to your hairs and reduces hair fall. Take little almond oil and massage it on your scalp. Leave it for 1 hour before you shampoo your hairs. You can also leave it overnight. If you want, you can apply almond oil directly on your hairs, or you can add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of almond oil to your regular hair oil and then you can apply it. Next benefit of almond oil is it helps our dry and dark lips to turn into soft and smooth lips. Apply this oil on your lips and leave it overnight. Do it for a few weeks and you can see the results.
So guys, these are the top benefits of almond oil. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.